Hello, welcome back.
Welcome back. Today we are looking for a little bit of inspiration because we are going to be making gingerbread soon. Not gingerbread, gingerbread houses. So today we're gonna go to the mall where they have an exhibit of fancy gingerbread houses that people have made, and we're gonna go see how cool they are. You ready to go, little dude? Here we go. Okay, so now that we have our inspiration of how to make a good gingerbread house, we are going to try and make some. We aren't actually going to be using gingerbread.
We were going to try to make it, it's just too daunting trying to make that much.
And we have a group of 6 people, so we didn't want to make tons of gingerbread. We have tons of boxes of graham crackers, and we're gonna use those. Okay, we got teams figured out. It's me and Tessie. She is back from putting the baby to sleep. He is not sleeping. Second team is Liza and Jackson. They've already started their little contraption of a house. And then these two did not want to be on a team, so Cambry is her own team and Zach is his own team. And then me and Tessie, we just started building our walls.
Okay, so quick update on everyone's gingerbread house. Wow, look at that.
Working on it.
Some siding coming on, nice.
Yep.
Zach's going for the tallest tower.
It's getting there. We're about halfway right now, I would say.
Oh my god.
Yes. Take a good look.
Look at this baby house.
It's gonna look great in like 10 minutes, I promise.
This is our log cabin.
So this is just the base right now, like the body of the house. Then we're gonna build a roof, nice little silo on the side. Are you guys building this from your mind, or do you guys have a picture that you're going off of?
This is completely 100% my mind. A little bit of influence of New York
I
City.
can see it. What about you, Cambry? What are you going for?
This is all just from my brain.
Okay, looking good so far.
Thank you.
Zach, where did this creation come from?
Also from my brain.
Okay.
We're just gonna see how high we can go. But this wall on this side is collapsing very, very slowly.
Are you gonna go higher or stop there then?
No, I'm gonna keep going up.
Keep going?
I'm gonna go up until it comes down.
And then we got our inspiration from a picture right here. That is what we're going for. This is what we've got so far.
Why does yours look so good?
So this team is having technical difficulties.
This is all part of the plan.
Okay, it's going. It's going. It's going.
It's gonna land on my
It's going.
It's gonna kill Cambry's house.
Timber.
We're almost done. I'm gonna go around again and just to see the developments and what has happened.
My little cottage is coming together. There's got little sprinkles.
My tower has turned into a modern abode, and it looks kind of like a seat.
All right.
I don't think I have to tell you what this is. It's a troll house, a Jamaican troll house.
We added a few things to our house. We have our front little area, walk-in area. Worked on the roof, added a chimney. This part though, if you touch it just right, it will fall. It's not even attached. It's not going to pass inspection. Other than that though, it's coming along. So let us know if you like number 1, number 2, number 3, or number 4. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video of our gingerbread houses. Make sure and let us know down in the comments which one was your favorite.
And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and hit that big red subscribe button.
See ya.
See ya.